week I'm testing the new Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, and this is the plug-in hybrid model. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this video is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the Eclipse Cross there are Isofix in the two outer seats and top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs. Now I'm really excited because I could fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back here, and that's the first time in an Eclipse Cross. I've got 2 InfoSecure Attain More and 1 InfoSecure Achieve More. Now I could fit them 3 across forward facing and rear facing, which is fantastic. Legroom is really good in here too. They made the Eclipse Cross longer, so legroom is really good. We could fit a 184cm driver or passenger in front of a rear facing child seat. Storage in the back of the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is minimal. There is a fold down in the central seat back that's got 2 cup holders that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are small mat pockets on the back of the front seats. They'll hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins in the back are small, but they will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's the little storage handle wells too. Storage in the front is compact but practical. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. The central console box isn't too large. That will hold sunglasses in the top and a little tray. There's a phone charging well in front of the gear lever, and you've got 2 USB and a 12-volt socket there too. The glove box is good in here. It has a shelf in the top, and underneath you've got room to put an iPad and a wallet with the manual. The door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. Now there are no aircon vents unfortunately in the back for the rear passengers, only in the front. The boot door of the Eclipse Cross opens and closes manually. Now the boot floor here has been raised by 17mm to accommodate for the battery. So let's find out how much we can fit in the PHEV model boot.
Empty will hold 11 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 1 shopping bag, or a tandem pram and 4 shopping bags, a single pram and 4 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 7 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog.
The charging points for the plug-in hybrid model are just on the back here on the driver's side. Now it does about 55 kilometres to its battery charge, which is enough for me to do my daily commute and school run, and maybe sit where my little baby has a little sleep as well, just using the battery alone instead of fuel, and then charge it in the evening and it's ready for the next day. Now this PHEV model is about $13,000 more than the normal Eclipse Cross, bringing it in at just under $50,000, which I think is quite a lot. Now the transition between battery and engine when you're driving is really nice and smooth, so that's great. And you can see the energy flow on the media screen, and you can see a battery and fuel range in the screen in front of the driver too. Now it is a really lovely, quiet, smooth car to drive, and I really like how get in and go and fuss-free the Eclipse Cross is. The media system in the Eclipse Cross is really basic. One of the things I do like is this screen where you can control a lot of the volumes and beeps, and including the sat-nav volume. It does have a CarPlay and Android Auto, which is good. When I put it into reverse, that camera image is really small and pixelated and milky. You do get the overhead view, and with a button on the steering wheel you can change it to the curb view, which is handy when you're parking. So to sum up with the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross PHEV, it is a great family car, and as my testing has shown, you can get those 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back, which is a bit of a game changer for families. That boot space is still good, and it can fit the twin stroller in the back there, which is really good, even though the depth is shallower. The media system is quite good. The camera for me does let it down, but the drive is really nice, and the battery range does make it really practical for everyday use with the battery and charging each day.